Welcome to our state-of-the-art paint manufacturing factory, Elite Paint and Chemical Industries Limited. Located in Chattogram, Bangladesh, we are the country's oldest paint company, serving the country for 72 years. Our product line includes a wide range of coatings containing architectural, industrial, marine, road marking, powder coating, waterproofing, and various chemicals. Today, we will take you through the fascinating process of creating our first quantum smooth exterior base, which will revolutionize the paint industry, allowing the user to tint any color with only one base. It all begins with the careful selection and unloading of raw materials. These include pigments, solvents, resins, and additives, which are essential for producing a consistent and high-quality paint base. The first step in the manufacturing process is the initial mixing. Here, pigments are blended with solvents and resins to form a homogeneous mixture. This ensures that the paint base will have uniform color and consistency. Next, the mixture undergoes dispersion. High-speed dispersers break down the pigment particles and distribute them evenly throughout the liquid. This step is crucial for achieving the desired color intensity and stability. After dispersion, the mixture is transferred to bead mills for grinding. This process further reduces the particle size, ensuring a smooth and uniform texture. The grinding process can take several hours, depending on the type of paint being produced. The next step is the letdown process. Additional solvents, resins, and additives are added to the mixture to achieve the final desired properties of the paint base. This is where the viscosity and drying time are fine-tuned. Quality control is paramount. Samples from each batch are tested in our laboratory to ensure they meet strict quality standards. Tests include viscosity measurement, color matching, drying time, and durability assessments. At QC, the bellow test, we are going to do VIS, SG, strength. Once the paint base passes quality control, it goes through filtration to remove any impurities. The final product is then packaged in various sizes, ready for shipment to customers and retailers. The finished paint base is stored in our warehouse before being shipped out. Our logistics team ensures timely delivery to meet the demands of our clients. Base will be packed 90% of pack size, then we'll go for tinting. Today we are going to use Alpha Dispenser Thor. We will check first all connection is okay or not, then we'll place this container on right place and we'll set our desired shade at software and we'll tint as pack size. From raw materials to the final product, our dedication to quality and precision at every step ensures that we deliver the best paint base to our customers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our paint manufacturing process. We extend our heartfelt thanks to Quantum Technology for the incredible work and dedication your team has shown in the creation of our first quantum smooth exterior base. We look forward to introducing this revolutionary technology all over the country through our distributors. Thank you for watching.